Hi everyone, thank you for the opportunity. Very excited to talk to you today about eSKOLO, a peer-to-peer learning community platform, which we believe to be an innovative solution for the Department of Education. So, first of all, a little bit more about myself. I'm a software developer. I'm a mobile application developer and a web application developer. I have demonstrated a successful track record of managing small to large projects from start to finish. I'm a qualified data analyst, studied under programs, numerous programs, one being the Google program, which I qualified for, and it's equivalent to a 4-year degree in university. Another one which was very excited for me to go through was the IBM program, figuring out solutions using big data. So, eSKOLO presents an innovative solution to enhance education within our district. Our platform is dedicated to fostering peer-to-peer learning and tutoring, particularly in STEM subjects. This is your sciences, technology, engineering, mathematics. We encourage students to learn from each other while providing access to vetted instructors. Students can collaborate, they can share knowledge, they can get access to valuable resources. This includes the video-based tutorials and live instructor-led lessons with features like my coins, which almost every student that we've interacted with, that we've demonstrated the beta to, are in love with this the reward system. eSKOLO, and it helps eSKOLO to make learning engaging and enjoyable. eSKOLO offers the ultimate virtual classroom software and hardware designed for online teaching, enabling educators to deliver high engaging live online classes, perfect for one-on-one sessions, small group classes with over 1,000 participants, right? For example, we could have 30 to 50 schools under the same online shared space. Who are we as a company? Well, we are Go Make a Difference Foundation, a fairly new startup. We are still at our infancy. An edtech which proves to have a major impact and has made a difference in some of the projects that we've engaged with, right? So we are currently working with 3 high schools in Heilbronn, offering academic support for the grade 9s, particularly in pure mathematics and physics. We have worked with more than 3 secondary schools in Gauteng before we've pivoted to a version that we are currently on as a company. We have over 12 vetted instructors with over 20 plus experience in the space of education from Gauteng, Cape Town, and also in the Free State. So we have 2 tutors in Gauteng, we have 2 tutors in Cape Town, and we have about 4 tutors in the Free State, and we have 1 in Newcastle. So let's address the critical problems in the education sector. These are aligned to eSKOLO solution. First one would be the worrying sum, which is educational inequality, disparities in access to quality education. Number 2 would be the digital divide, the lack of access to digital learning resources, especially in remote areas. Insufficient academic support. We have limited support for struggling students. Again, particularly in the fields of in the space of mathematics and sciences. Traditional teaching methods ineffective in engaging modern students. The lack of data-driven insight. Schools struggling to make informed decisions for the department. What's our value proposition? eSKOLO offers several innovative features. Live interactive streaming, video-based tutorials, AI teacher assistants, portable interactive whiteboards. This falls under the smart technology that we offer. Stylus pads, mics, body mics, 20 terabytes self storage solutions, comprehensive data analytics, a learning management system. These, we are talking about total classroom transformation, both from the software side and the hardware side. What do we offer? Well, first of all, we offer academic support, targeted support for grade 9s in mathematics and sciences. Live instructor-led live lessons, engaging with highly qualified vetted instructors in real times. This is the opportunity or the scale that the students can venture into. Video-based tutorials, we have access to pre-recorded. Students will get access to pre-recorded lessons with tests and assignments, with multi-language created content, i.e. in Sesotho, Zulu, Xhosa, and so forth. And integrated learning. Let's talk a unified platform that combines various educational tools and resources, making the learning process more efficient and cohesive. For example, we have the world's first portable interactive whiteboard, very small, so portable that a teacher, it can fit in a purse or a backpack. 20 terabytes self-storage solution to host the lessons that the students can go over anytime on the platform in eSKOLO. The stylus pad and pen, which will allow or give the teachers or the tutors flexibility to also write just sitting down, maybe at home in a classroom, or in a, or they can also choose to use the interactive whiteboard. Lack of personalized learning. Many educational systems do not cater to the individual needs and learning paces of students. eSKOLO uses data analytics and AI to provide personalized learning experiences, helping students to learn more effectively. So when we talk data-driven decisions, we're talking grade. eSKOLO will be able to collect content like grade, sort out students' attendance, look into students' behavior. Why are the students behave worse than the others or better than the others? The socio-economic status, the teacher to student ratios, and other matters. Plenty of other matters. Benefits for the Department of Education. Enhanced learning experience. We engage students with interactive and personalized learning. 2, improved academic outcomes. We provide targeted support to students in need, again using data analytics and AI integrations. Data analytics and AI integration. The platform leverages data analytics and AI to track students' progress, tailor learning experiences, and provide valuable insights to educators and administrators, the department as a whole. Cost-effective solutions. We leverage eSKOLO's platforms to maximize. We urge you to leverage eSKOLO's platform to maximize your resources. Bridging the digital divide. Provide access to digital learning tools and resources. So this marks the end of my presentation. So quickly jump into the demonstration of our software, which is eSKOLO, and then the classroom technology. Thank you.